Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amy Sitati, and in today's video I'll be taking you guys through a process whereby I'll be installing my unit, actually my old unit. So yeah, between us steps it's not giving, but okay, I tried and it's actually the second time trying out for installation by myself. Between is it 450 J for kupa oko yo asana oko so kupa 400 okanye 350 I'm talking about. So I thought, why not, let me just try it out. But ke ibonile ba imizamo yam, I'll actually give it a 5 out of 10 for a beginner, because kalokusana I was literally trying it out. And actually this is an old unit, so being as well give Alando ibe give. But yeah, come on, join me.
You know just what you do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppet strings. Did it ever occur to you my heart's more than a toy? Please go easy on me, babe. Send message after message, forward my calls. Next day you hit me back like nothing happened at all. What about all the things you used to say to me? This ain't the way it's supposed to be. And you know I wouldn't do that to you. You know I wouldn't treat you that way, no. I've been running, can't catch up. Oh love, what I won't do. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. All of the times I've been there, times I came through, I'd meet you anywhere if it brought me closer to you. Distance is killing me, you make it so hard. Won't you let me love you, babe? Used to be optimistic, these days I just don't know. Pick a fence in the valley, I hope it's losing its hold. You know them other girls won't love you like I do. Can't afford to give up on you. And you know I wouldn't do that to you. You know I wouldn't treat you that way, no. I've been running, can't catch up. Oh love, what I won't do. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. Chasing waterfalls. Oh, 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 you've got me chasing waterfalls. Oh, oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls.